Okay, we're ready to look at problem number 1. And again, one of the things I'm going to do is not use any of the shortcut rules, but to use the idea that was given in the directions to use expanded notation. So 1 has 3x squared times 5x. Expanded notation would be to write this x squared as x times x. Then to simplify this, I have 3 times 5 is 15. And counting the x's, that's x to the 3rd power, or x cubed. So I didn't use any of the rules, I just expanded things out. Now I try not to use the rules this late in the term, because one, there's about 5 different rules, and that's hard to memorize. And the other thing is that it's easy for students to get confused or jump to conclusions. Often when they look at multiplying, 2 times 3 is 6, and they think the answer is r to the 6th. But let's look at it in expanded. R squared is r. R cubed is r times r times r. If we count how many r's, you'll find out that there are 5 r's, not 6. Is there a shortcut? Yes, but now's not the time to go into those things. Y to the 3rd times y to the 4th. One of the things I find when I'm grading students' papers is this y in the middle is often ignored because there's no power on it. I'm going to write this in expanded notation. Y to the 3rd is y times y times y. This y I'll write here, and then I have 4 more y's to add in. If I count that up, that's y to the 8th. Now I feel pretty confident with all of those answers, but the directions did say to do numerical substitution. So let's go back and let x equal 5. Then this original expression is 1,875. The result down here is 1,875. So that answer checks. I'll put a box around it because I know that answer is correct now. Now let's do the r's, and we'll let r also equal 5. So the first expression becomes 5 squared times 5 cubed. So that answer is 3,125. The answer down here is just 5 to the 5th power. That answer is also 3,125. So again, I know that answer is right. And then my last problem, I think I'll stick with 5, and we'll put y in as 5. So this problem is 5 to the third times 5 times 5 to the fourth. This answer down here is 5 to the eighth. And we'll see if those two answers match. So both answers are 390,625, and that answer also checks. All right, go back to the lesson and you'll be looking at the next activity. And again, what I want you to practice doing is to write things in their expanded form and see if you can use that expanded form to figure out the answer without having to use any exponent rules. So the expanded form is where we write the powers out as repeated multiplication.